The following will demonstrate the process for cleaning a meat saw. Before you begin, be sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment as stated on the product label, or SDS. To begin, disconnect power to the meat saw by unplugging the power cord. Once secure, disassemble the machine. Take all of the removable parts to the 3-compartment sink to be washed, rinsed, and sanitized. Allow the parts to soak in detergent solution for 5 to 10 minutes. Agitate all surfaces using a designated cleaning tool to remove buildup. Then, rinse all parts in the rinse sink. Sanitize all parts, making sure to submerge all surfaces for a minimum of 1 minute. Then, place the parts on the drain board to air dry. Next, pre-spray the machine with warm water to remove soils and debris. Apply a food safety degreaser to all parts of equipment. Allow several minutes for the degreaser to loosen the soils. Agitate the surface with a designated cleaning tool. Then, rinse the machine with clean water. Sanitize the base and allow it to air dry. Next, gather the clean parts from the 3-compartment sink and reassemble the meat saw. Once assembled, spray the machine with sanitizer and allow it to air dry. Once dried, plug the meat saw in.